If you're experiencing low performance on your PlayStation 5, there are several steps you can take to optimize its performance. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check for system updates. Ensure your PS5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, select System Software, and choose System Software Update in Settings. Download and install any available updates. Step 2. Manage storage space. Free up storage space by deleting unused games and applications. Navigate to Settings, select Storage, and review your installed games. Remove any that you no longer play to improve performance. Step 3. Optimize game settings. Adjusting game settings for better performance. Lower the graphics settings or resolution in the game options if you notice lag or frame drops. This can help improve overall gameplay smoothness. Step 4. Clear cache. Clearing the cache can help resolve performance issues. Turn off your PS5 completely, then hold the power button until you hear a second beep. Boot into safe mode and select the option to clear the cache. Step 5. Improve ventilation. Ensure your PS5 has proper ventilation to prevent overheating. Place the console in an open area, away from other electronics, and consider using a cooling stand if necessary to maintain optimal temperatures. By following these steps, you can enhance the performance of your PlayStation 5 and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.